Well, we're going back old school in a way. I'm using my new GoPro Max for the first time, really. I mean, I tested and played a little bit at home while I was home with my wife, but I had no time to play with stuff at home because my wife just had surgery, and I wanted to take as good care of her as possible. You know, I've been on the road a lot, and I figured in a time of need, I wanted to be 100% with her and not playing with cameras and drones and everything else. So I'm back in Florida, picking up my bike and heading northwest, and I'm not going to any place exciting, so I'm not even going to say where I'm going. But eventually, I guess you'll find out. But right now, we'll just say I'm heading into the snow country, and in the next 200 miles, my temperature is going to go from 80 degrees, 80.5 right now, to something in the low 30s. And I'm assuming between here and there's gonna be a little rain. So my rain gear is behind me in that bag on the seat, which is pretty empty except for GoPro mounts and rain gear. And I'm gonna do my best to not get soaked. Wet, wet, wet. My shirt is way too wet already. What do we got here? We have a truck stop. That's good enough.
Make a U-turn.
No. Make a U-turn. What are you talking about? It's Siri. She's such a card. What time? Is it lunchtime yet? I do like Popeyes.
Proceed to the route.
I'm working on it.
Keep right to merge onto I-75 north toward Valdosta.
Alright.
Proceed to the route.
Stop it. I was wet. I'm very wet. I can't believe how quickly that turned from horrible to soggy and like nothing flat. Still gonna stay wet. Again, this is one of the joys of the 360 camera. Because I can walk around and worry about the edit later. And I'll have to say that one of the things I like the most about the new Max is the audio. You know, people are all looking to bash it and compare it to everything else. It's a good piece of tech. That's all I'll have to say about that. I'm not blowing smoke up any company's rear end anymore. You know what, but the thing is, I'll use it because it works, not because it's better than this or better than that. Because you can turn around and say this is best and that's best all you want, but you know what? This doesn't matter. It's what you do with it that matters. And even though I still say that the 1X is a better camera, this camera, I'm not worried about it getting wet right now, am I? And that, for my lifestyle, is why I bought it. Plus, I don't like buying two of the same thing. I wasn't buying another one. Good Thomas. Mr. O'Sullivan. See? You know what I'm talking about.